Students, how are you? Fine, very nice. Now let's start our today's work. Today you have to write reduce each of the following fraction. It's a lowest term. So here I have given some fractions. So you have to convert your all the fraction in its lowest term. Understood? Lowest means you have to convert your fraction in its co-prime numbers. Co-prime number you know very well. Those type of number that SEF always come as 1. That type of number are known as co-prime numbers. Okay, so now start your work. 15 upon 18. Okay, so your first one method is you can find your numerator and denominator SCF. After that you can directly divide your numerator and denominator with SCF. Okay, so in this way you can direct find your answer, okay, in one step. Understood? Okay, if you don't want to divide with SCF, so you can divide with other one number, but your number should be divisible by both numerator as well as the denominator. Okay, here I am finding SCF method. So first of all find SCF. You know very well SCF, highest common factor. Highest common factor SCF always equal to स्मॉलर नंबर, अदरवाइज लेस देन टू स्मॉलर नंबर. स्मॉलर नंबर के यहाँ तो इक्वल होगा, जिस भी आप नंबर्स का फाइंड आउट करें, 2 नंबर्स 3 नंबर्स, या तो मे बी आपके इक्वल जो स्मॉलर नंबर है उसके इक्वल हो, अदरवाइज लेस देन टू स्मॉलर नंबर. अंडरस्टूड? सो हियर 15 and 18 SCF of 15 and 18 is 3, so divide 15 and 18 by 3 and directly you can get your answer. Understood? 5 upon 6. And here 44 upon 77, what is the SCF? Both the numbers 11, so divide numerator and denominator with 11, directly you can get your answer. And here also 75 and 150, what is the SCF? You can find 75, because 75 2s are 150, so directly you can divide, and after that directly you can get your answer in one step. Okay, now here 14 upon 28, so what is the SCF of 14 and 88? 2, so directly you can divide 14 and 88 with 2. Now you can get your answer 7 upon 44. Okay, 52 upon 91, what's the SCF? 13. Okay, in table of 13, 52 and 91 always come, so that's why 13 SCF. So that to divide, and now you can get your smallest form of 52 upon 91. Okay, here compare the following fractions. So compare means you have to find out which fraction will be your bigger and smaller. Okay, here you are seeing like fraction 6 upon 19 and 12 upon 19. You know very well when your like fractions, so bigger numerator will be bigger fractions and smaller numerator will be bigger, smaller numerator will be smaller fraction. Understood? So it is obvious 12 is bigger than 6, that's why 12 upon 19 is bigger than 6 upon 19. Same way 70 upon 25, 23 upon 25, of course 23 upon 25 will be bigger than 17 upon 25. Understood? And here 7 upon 3 and 4 whole 3 upon 5. If you have given some mixed fractions, so first of all you have to convert mixed fraction into its improper fractions form. Okay, after that you can start your next one step. Okay, and here you are saying both are unlike fraction. Okay, both denominator are not equal, so your first step is, okay, find the LCM, and after that you can convert your both the denominator as your LCM. Understood? So first of all find what is the LCM. Here LCM of 3 and 5, you know very well, you have read LCM SCF also in your previous class. Least common multiples. Okay, what's the least common multiples of 3 and 5? 15. Okay, so now convert 3 to 15 and as well as 5 to 15. Okay, so now by which number you have to multiply 3, and after your 3 will convert into 15? 5. 3 5s are 15. So multiply 5 with numerator and the denominator. Okay, 35 upon 15 is the equivalent fraction of 7 upon 3. Why? Because you are multiplying numerator and denominator with the same number. Okay, if you are multiplying numerator and denominator, multiply, otherwise divide also. So whatever fraction will come, that will be the equivalent fraction of your previous fraction. Understood? Here also 5, you are converting 5 to its LCM, means 15. So 3 you are multiplying with numerator and denominator. Okay, now 69 upon 15. Okay, so now your both the denominator are equal, so now you can easily find out which is your bigger and which is your smaller. 69 is bigger. Okay, it means 23 upon 5 will be bigger than 7/3. Understood? So in this way you have to do your work. Understood? Okay, and here 2 whole 2/5 and 3 whole 1/7. So first of all you have to convert both the mixed fraction into improper form. Okay, after that you have to be observe your denominator are same or not. If your denominator are not same, so you can use your LCM method, and now you have to convert your both the denominator to its LCM form. Okay, after that you can easily check which fraction is your bigger and which fraction is your smaller fraction. Understood? So this is your. So now you are open your page number 51. So here you are seeing, and that is a flag of the math club. It's in a school in a Kerala. Okay, so here you have to draw your flag of the math club in your school. Okay, so okay, and divide it into equal divisions. Understood? So now start your net one magic top. So here you have to be take a cardboard piece and draw a circle of radius 3.73 centimeter and cut it out. Okay, so now divide the circle into 8 equal parts. आपको circle को 8 equal parts में आपको divide करना है. Understood? So 4 here and 4 here. Okay, so now color 2/8 part, only 2 part. Okay, only 2 part you have to color with red color. Okay, and 1/8. 1/8 means only 1 part you have to color with orange, and 1/8 again 1 part you have to color with yellow. Okay, etc. And push a matchstick through the center of the circle. Okay, so now your magic top is ready and spin it. Okay, now spin करिए और देखिए कितना कलरफुल आपका ये जो आपने कार्डबोर्ड बनाया है 3 centimeter सर्कल का कैसा आपको दिख रहा है. Understood? So here a chocolate bar. Manju had a chocolate. She has a chocolate. Okay, so how many pieces are here? 6 topmost and 6 downward also. So total pieces are 12. Okay, so now she gave 1/4 of it to Razi. Okay, मंजू ने 1/4 राजी को दिया, तो राजी को मिला 12 का 1/4. 1/4 मीन्स 12 को 4 से आप डिवाइड कर लीजिए, तो 3 pieces. Okay, so 3 pieces मंजू has given to राजी. Okay, now 1/3 to सुगाथा, तो 1/3 इसने सुगाथा को दिया, so 12 को आप 3 से डिवाइड कर लीजिए, so 3 4s are 12, so 4 इसने दिए सुगाथा को. Now and 1/6 to शीला, और 1/6 portion से शीला को दिया, so now divide 12 with 6. Okay, so what answer will come? 2. So 2 इसने दिया शीला को. Okay, so she add the remaining part. अब जो जितना भी इसका पोर्शन रिमेनिंग हुआ, तो ये पोर्शन रिमेनिंग चॉकलेट्स इसके मंजू के पास है. सो हाउ मेनी पीसेस ऑफ चॉकलेट डिड ईच गेट? राइट है. सो सारे पीसेस आपको यहाँ लिखने हैं, और मंजू को जो रिमेनिंग जो मिला वो मंजू का यहाँ, और मंजू का देखो कितना पोर्शन मिला मंजू को, 4 और 3 7 and 2 हो गया 9, और 9 को आप किससे सब्ट्रैक्ट कर लेंगे? 12 से. ओके, सो 9 को आप 12 से सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, सो व्हाट आंसर विल कम? 3. सो ओनली 3 पीसेस ओके विल गेट बाय मंजू.